Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify portfolio tracking on Delta by doing address import. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open the Delta app on your device. Navigate to the portfolio section. Look for the option to import an address. Click on the address import option. You will see a prompt asking you to enter your wallet address. Copy your wallet address from your preferred cryptocurrency platform. Paste the wallet address into the input field in the Delta app. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any mistakes. Next, select the appropriate blockchain for the asset. The Delta app will start fetching your portfolio data from the entered address. Wait for the app to load your portfolio data. Once loaded, review the assets and their respective balances. If everything looks correct, you have successfully verified your portfolio tracking. If there are discrepancies, ensure your wallet address is accurate. You can repeat the process with other wallet addresses if needed. Explore the app's features to better track your investments. Congratulations, you've completed the address import process on Delta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.